Namaskaram to all. I hope you all are fine. It is not a secret that the wireless technology has become model for entertainment, model for communication and model for the education as well. So it is very important, it is very necessary to explore or to learn about these wireless technologies. So if we will talk about the wireless technology, the latest version of wireless technology is 5G. So today we will learn about the 5G technology through a PowerPoint presentation. So let's go through the video. 5G wireless technology. So the first term is wireless technology. So we have to learn about what is the wireless technology. So basically wireless technology provides the ability to communicate between two or more entities over the distances without the use of cables, without the use of wire. It has become a very important or a powerful tool for the technology savvy generation. Why? Because it facilitates easy information sharing. For example, if a person present in Alaska can easily communicate or talk to a person who is present in Australia by using mobile phone. So this is all about the wireless technology. Now, come to the next slide, that is what is 5G. Basically 5G or the 5th generation wireless technology is a breakthrough, which means that it is the latest iteration or it is the latest version of cellular technology. It is basically engineered to increase the speed or the responsiveness of the speed or the wireless network. Basically the speed of 5G is 20 gigabits per second, which is very high in speed. So that's why 5G is very important. Next slide is how does 5G work, which means that we all learn or we all discuss about 5G, but how does 5G work, that we have to understand. So basically in 5G network area is divided into small cells or the small parts or the small geographical area, and each area is known as a small cell. These cells send data through the radio waves. Basically the 4th generation of wireless technology provides the foundation in 5G. Next, unlike 4G which sends or which requires the higher power tower to radiate the signal, 5G basically signals or transmits the signals through the larger number of small cells or the stations, which is basically located on the light poles or basically located on the building roofs. So this is all about the how does a 5G works. Next is what is the basic difference between the 4G and 5G. So we will divide it into two parts, speed and connectivity. If we will talk about the speed, which means that the peak speed of 4G is 1 gigabyte while the speed of 5G is 20 gigabytes per second, which is very high in speed. Next, if you talk about the connectivity, so a 4G can connect only 1 lakh of devices. But if we will talk about the 5G technology, it connects millions of devices. So this is all about 4G versus 5G. Next, if we will talk about the features of 5G, so these are the basic features of 5G. High data rate, very high capacity, reliable and secure, very low latency, long battery life and massive number of devices. Which means that it provides very high data rate. It means that almost 20 gigabytes per second that 5G technology can transmit. Second, it is very secure as compared to the other generation of computer like 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G. It is highly secure and reliable. Next, we will talk about the massive number of devices, which means that the 5G technology can connect, I already told you, the millions of computer systems or the millions of devices together. The battery life of the devices, which is basically based on 5G, is very long. So this is also a very important feature of 5G. I hope you will understand something about 5G through this PowerPoint presentation. Thank you so much.